Hola guys, so I went and I put some clothes on. Put some earrings on and put some fingernails on, press-ons, press-ons all day, every day. Get into it. I'm trying to tell y'all, it saves a lot of time. So yeah, this is the finished look. And that's about it. That's it. This is the look. I hope you like it. Like I said, my camera, my camera did die, so I did have to switch things. So you did miss me doing like my highlight, my lips and my lashes, but everything else you see. So yeah, so I hope you guys like the look. I'll get into these nails. So my nails are missing a couple of rhinestones. This is actually the third time I've worn this set, and this is the Rose Gold set from the nail list. I plan on going to the store and finding the rhinestones. It's only missing 3. This 1, 2, 3. Yeah, out of all these rhinestones, I'm only missing 3. 2 on this finger and the 1 on this finger. But so yeah, so get into these nails. Anyway, so I'll talk to you guys in the next one. My background was red because I planned on doing something that caused me to have to wear a pretty bright red lip, because I bought the Fenty Stunner lip paint, the red one, when it first came out, and I've never worn it, and I wanted to play with it, but clearly I had other things in mind. So then again, this is the look. I'm not a makeup artist by no means. I just do what I like to do for me, and right now I'm still practicing. I be so busy doing other things and living life and enjoying having a toddler that makeup kind of falls second to that. But it was, before I had my daughter, makeup was like my hobby wise, my first love. And then I had my child, and it was like, okay, well, oh, I know this. And it was like, okay, well, makeup's here, my daughter's here. So I kind of, have slacked off a little bit, but I'm back on everything, back on all my stuff. 2018 is about to be over, and I gotta get it together. I gotta get this popping, okay? So, yeah, hope you guys like the looks. If you like it, please give me thumbs. And before you leave this video, before you say bye-bye to me, come join my crazy family. Come on, come join. You know you want to. I'll wait. This is me waiting, okay? You hit that. I know you hit that bell, and I know you hit subscribe, because you love me and I love you too. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.